Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Columbus, Ohio. We're here in the upper Midwest. Population at the time of the video, just about 900,000. We're at the state capital here in Ohio. So we're on Long Road heading towards the heart of the city. State capital. I'd say it's almost an equal drive. Well, got Cleveland about 2 hours north. Cincinnati, hour and a half south. Turning on to Marconi here in Columbus. Was that art museum?
I don't know, it's pretty tight though.
Looks cool.
Looks really cool. That show's pretty great. Oh, it looks nice here, dude.
Coming up onto the drag here. So the State House, we'll check that out. It's got to be the capital. This is the Palace Theater. Got an old school theater here. Super clean downtown. Quiet, safe. We're on Broad Street and Front. Palace Theater, the old Palace, is that I call it. Typical one-way
That's it
streets.
right
there it is. We'll get to it. Woo! A little windy here. It's the cap, the old cap. Oh, I do not want to park in here. But if you do, there you go.
On the inside, I think it's pretty here.
Oh wow, look at that. That's
look
seen
at that.
a couple
You
centuries.
see that one? Dispatch, Ohio, greatest
Ohio's greatest.
new home newspaper, 153 years of service.
Wowzers. Oh, wowzers. A lot of history here. Man, look at that. With the lawn service there. Alright, and we will continue on our journey here. After a much needed selfie in the state capitol building. Oh, look at the architecture of some of these. They look Victorian. Late 19th century, early 20th century, I'd say. What the fuck is going on with this?
Chicago,
Oh, it's these. You can probably see it in the video there, the little kickouts for these patios. That's kind of cool. These apartment buildings. The old fire escapes. Love seeing those. This is like the artsy. Got the bars, the uptowns. It's a cool downtown for sure.
Yeah, a lot cooler than I thought. Uncle Sam's pawn shop. You better pay him.
Park here for $5 a day, all day. Two suites, very cool. All right, folks, see you next time.